Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset the Windows accent color back to its default color in your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you wanna do is just run the run command. So just click on the start button and then just click on run. In here, type regedit, which is gonna open the registry edit. Click on OK. After that, click on yes and give it administrator permission. Then just maximize this. Then just make sure to go to this link, HK current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, DWM. Just go to this directory. And inside this, you'll find something called accent color and accent color inactive keys. Now you want to delete both of them. I only have accent color. I don't have the other accent color inactive keys file. If you have both, just delete them both. I just have one, so I'm just going to delete one and click on yes. Then I'll just close this. You can refresh if you want. Then just go ahead and restart your computer and your Windows accent color should be resetted back to its defaults. And basically that is how to reset Windows accent color back to its default color on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.